Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription directly from your phone. Whether you're cutting down on expenses or simply don't need premium anymore, this quick tutorial will guide you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app. Once it's open, look at the bottom of your screen and tap your profile picture. Then, head to your settings by tapping the gear icon at the top of the screen. This will open the settings menu. Scroll down and select Purchases and Memberships. You'll find your YouTube Premium membership. Tap on it to proceed. If your subscription is managed through the Google Play Store, you'll be redirected there to cancel it. At this point, make sure you are signed into the correct account in the Play Store. Then click on Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. You might need to select a reason for canceling before continuing. Once you're done, tap Continue and confirm the cancellation. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription directly from your phone.